Today should be a good day. I may have lost my mind instead of canceling today's craft show because we are literally moving today. I am attempting to do both. So Peyton will be moving most of the day while I'm at the craft show, and then after we're done at the craft show, I'm gonna continue helping him move. Definitely feeling the overwhelm today. Definitely feeling the overwhelm, but I'm so glad you're here with me today. I always have so much fun when you come with me to these craft shows. This is weekend 4 of 7 weekends I'm doing up at our local pumpkin patch, but I checked the weather and it is supposed to get warmer today, so we will see. I can't wait to see how today goes. I also can't wait to see our new apartment. We actually haven't seen the inside yet, so I'm really pumped about that as well. If you're new around here, my name is Camryn. I set up at craft shows. I have my own crochet boutique. I've got a lot of my stuff back here. Peyton has the other car and we're heading up to the venue now. We like to take 2 cars to this one because I do kind of an elaborate display. So at the end of today's video, I will definitely give you a recap on how today went. Plus, we're gonna do a little walkthrough of the new apartment. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We really need to get up to the venue and get set up because I'm running probably 20 minutes behind. It's about 9:05 right now, and I usually like to leave here around 8:45-ish, so definitely need to go up there and get set up. Also, I've been chatting with you in the car, and Peyton left a few minutes ago, so he's probably gonna be up there wondering where I'm at. So let's go up to the venue and get all set up. We are all set up. I'm gonna go grab myself a chai and then I will show you the finished look. We have 5 minutes until the event starts. I usually like to be set up a little bit earlier than that, but I actually had some shoppers while I was setting up today. I had 3 sales while setting up, so super excited for today, and I'll keep you updated. Did you have any customers?
Oh yeah, you don't have products left.
He's gonna go check in with the apartment people?
Yeah, I'm gonna go check in with the apartment people, and I'm gonna move all our stuff or what I can today, and then...
I got my chai, so...
What are you gonna do for lunch?
I don't know. Alright, bye. I am struggling recently with my perfectionist tendencies. I am definitely a perfectionist, and while moving, just the idea of all of my things being in boxes and being scattered all around and not organized stresses me out so much. But I'm trying to just focus on right now. I'm at the market. Peyton is handling the move, and hopefully today will be good up here. I can almost use it as a little distraction from the overwhelm of everything else going on in my life right now. But I just want to let you know, if you're also a perfectionist, it's okay to sometimes be a perfectionist because that's your personality type. Like, it's hard to not control it, right? But sometimes I just have to say bye-bye to my perfectionism for a couple days and be like, okay, well, this weekend isn't going to be perfect at all. It's not gonna be perfect at all, and I'm just gonna have to let that be what it is, you know? And I really wanted to call out because I knew I couldn't fully show up and put in 100% effort today in my craft show because I'm also moving. But that's the thing, is you're not gonna have a perfect day every time you have a craft show, and all of the things you have in your life aren't gonna just be totally perfect every time you want to do a craft show. Life happens, and you know, is it ideal? We're moving in the middle of my busy market season? No, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. If I'm feeling super overwhelmed, I just have to tell myself, stop being a perfectionist today. Just stop. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, just do it. And it really helps my overwhelm. I'm like, yeah, the fact that some areas of my boot look a little sparse right now, and that I have some stuff that needs priced here that I didn't get around to yesterday, and I'm gonna do it here at the market. I'm like, yeah, you know, it is what it is. I'm just working with what I got. So let's get some of these things priced. I'll show you the finished display that I decided on today. You want to do a little pumpkin? Okay, sounds good. Perfect. Thank you. Have fun today. Yeah. They just are fun. They just sit there.
They're
yeah.
just cute.
You want to do those?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you want to do cash or card?
Card, please.
Card? Yay!
Okay.
That's a cute one. You want to do cash or card?
Is card okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. The double palm is just the cutest. I can't even handle it. Yeah. Right. Oh, thank you. We're gonna do both those. Thank you. It's based off my dog, Alice. And I do have change too if you have the 10. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's fun. You? Yeah. Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I love your top. It's super pretty. You're gonna do that one? Okay, sounds good.
20.
Yeah, I got 2 back for you.
Great.
There you go.
Great,
Do you want a
thank
little
you.
bag?
If you've got one.
Yeah, I
that'd be
do.
great.
Fun. I'll stick my card in there
Oh,
too.
thank you.
Yeah. And crocheting away. Yeah. I get a lot done at these shows. I feel weird not doing it. Like, I'm like, what do I do with my hands? Crochet? Let me give you my card. I'm on YouTube. I do tutorials. I have a little tutorial for little mini ones. Yeah. And chicken?
Yeah.
Awesome. Did you want to do cash or card?
Let's do card. Please.
Okay, sounds good. It's been so crazy busy today. I haven't even had a second to check in with you, but it's about 1 o'clock and my dad actually ran up here and brought me some more chickens because he's helping Peyton move right now. And I was like texting him, hey, can you bring me more chickens? Because I've been selling so many of those. So that's a little update on how it's going. Started to slow quite a bit down here. The weather is really nice. There's still some shoppers, but definitely not as busy as it was earlier. And Peyton informed me that I need to be at the apartment by 5 because I close at 5 and I need to sign a piece of paper. And we also need to bring Alice. I have to be there at 5. We tear down at 4. And it's a 30-minute drive. So we've got to do the quickest teardown you've ever seen so that we can get there in time to sign the paper so that, you know, I don't even know what it's about. Peyton just told me we need to do this. So definitely feeling a little overwhelmed, a little rushed, but it should be good. And I'm excited. I'm really pumped. I'm just going to shove things in bins. Anyways, we will walk through it together. I'm super excited. today. What is going on? We have to run to the apartment now because I have to sign paperwork before 5. We tore down so fast because my dad helped us too. It took us 10 minutes to tear down. We tore down so stinking fast. Oh, my heat was on from earlier. We need to put AC on blast. It is so hot. My car's saying 74, but it feels hotter than that. All right, well, let's go grab Miss Alice and head to our new apartment. I'm so excited. I'll definitely keep you updated on how I did today at the market and also give you a little walkthrough of our apartment. I haven't even seen it yet, so super pumped. Ready, Alice? Let's go. Smells good in here. Look at this. It's so tall. Are you discovering your new home? Come here, Alice. Ooh. I like that we get a pantry. Oh, Alice. Come on. Let's see what my workroom is gonna look like.
We could either make this your bedroom or your workroom.
This?
Bedroom or workroom.
Ooh, is there a light for in here? Yeah. This is big. Alice. Alice girl. Oh. Oh my gosh. Peyton. There's a bag of Milky Ways on the roof. And a bunch of rocks. Hello, it is about a week after I filmed that last clip. I wanted to do like a whole overview of how the market went and a little bit more of a thorough walkthrough, but it was the most hectic day of my life. No, that's being dramatic, but it was very stressful and we actually had to come here to sign papers at 5. The traffic was horrible. We got here at 4:55 or something like that. So stressful. I wanted to make sure we got everything signed and taken care of. And I was just honestly so worn out because we moved a ton more stuff later that night. I wanted to give you a little walkthrough of our space. Don't mind a bunch of boxes and clutter everywhere right now. Just wait until you see my craft room. It's a mess, but we're still in the process of moving. It's a process, so it's gonna be a minute until it's looking all cute, but right now I'm just so happy to be here. I feel so grateful that we're in such a beautiful and safe place, and I don't know, I'm so happy here, and I wanna show you a little bit of what the space looks like because I will be doing my own yarn room / work room. Right now it's just a bunch of boxes I will show you, but maybe that will have to be an entire vlog series, making that room really pretty. So if that interests you, be sure to comment down below. But I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough of the apartment before I move on to letting you know how the craft show actually went. Let's do a little walkthrough. Come with me, come with me. Okay, so the lighting is gonna be super crappy. Sorry about that, but also very messy in here. Again, we're still moving, don't mind the mess, but laundry is kind of boring stuff. Bathroom, you don't really need to see that, I guess, but we got, you don't have to see this either, but Peyton's little nook. Don't even comment down below, where's Peyton's space? Peyton literally only cares about his computer, his gaming computer. That's literally all he cares about, and me and Alice, of course. He wants us to be happy, okay? I will show you my craft room. I don't know what I want to call it, craft room, yarn room, work room, but I told you, it's looking very rough, okay? This is where I've been doing the Instagram lives, by the way. You think I have a cute yarn room yet? I mean, come on. This is ridiculous. But anyways, we've got this big window here. I've got a ton of space in here, really. It looks like not a lot because it's full of clutter right now, but I think I can fit a couch in here to get all snuggled up on and crochet, do our lives, do our videos here. I do have a lighting. I do have a full closet. This is a mini pillow. I don't know why this is in here. I think this is Alice. I think I got this for Alice or something. But yeah, this is my little storage area connected to my yarn room, which I'm super pumped about because I'll probably end up putting ugly stuff in here and I can shut the door and then I can have it be really pretty out here and really organized. Probably the only area you're really that interested in is my yarn room, but I'll show you, I guess, a little bit more of the apartment in case you are interested. I really love our kitchen. I have all of my blue KitchenAid stuff out, which I love. It's so cute. And anyways, that's kind of that area. This is where we're gonna eat. And I definitely want to put stuff on the walls and all the things. I did do this, which I'm pretty proud. You might recognize this in the background of some of my videos. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I bought it to do markets with, and I rarely use it at markets because I have so many other things to set up at markets with. So anyways, I put cute stuff on it. So there's that. Alice on our couch. Alice girl, you want to say hi? Say hi. Alice, say hi. Okay, so, I want to show you this. This is a pattern that I have coming out really soon. Wait, will it be out by the time I don't think it'll be out by the time you're watching this vlog, but if it's not, it's gonna be out pretty soon after that. Alice loves it. She's been snuggling up next to it, and it is so soft, and it's a super quick make. You can sell at your markets. I was selling some at my markets, but I actually snagged them to keep for the apartment because I love them that much. I can do another apartment tour, or at least yarn room tour, once I have everything where it's supposed to be and all organized, all pretty. But anyways, I wanted to give you a little look at our space. And as for how the market went, best day of this season so far this year. I'm super pumped about it. I'm really excited for the rest of the season. I'm crossing my fingers that it's gonna pick up more, because even though it was my best day of the season, this was just like a good day compared to last year. You know what I'm saying? Like, this year has just been slower in general. So we will see if it does end up picking up towards the end of the season, but be sure to subscribe because I have a ton more vlogs coming going over all of those details. But best sellers, definitely chickens. I sold just so many of the newborn things, so many newborn things. This venue is perfect for selling baby stuff. I really was happy with the turnout. It was a really good day. I had recovered almost fully from being sick the week before, where I was miserable. That was my last vlog. You can go check it out if you want to see me just navigate a hard day. You know, we all have them, but feeling a ton better. Everybody was really nice. I don't think I had any grumpy customers. People were super nice. I was in a great mood. I was excited about the move. It was stressful, but it was a really great day. Thanks again so much for coming with me today. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I would love to keep hanging out with you here on YouTube. If you want to keep hanging out, click on this video right here, and I will see you, my friend, in this video right here. Bye.